Morning students. In probability we completed example number 4 in last class. So from example number 5 we start. See, all the examples are very easy but good example there. Example number 5 says two players Sangeeta and Reshma play a tennis match. It is known that the probability of Sangeeta winning is 0.62. Find the probability of Reshma winning. It's very simple question. I tell you that how we can make this question. Look at the thing. It's given that let A is an event of Sangeeta winning. Try to understand. And B is an event. Only one is acceptable, no matter at all. So what is given? The probability of Sangeeta winning. Try to understand the language. Question says the probability, direct probability is given. Probability of Sangeeta winning of the match is 0.62. And we are told that find the probability of Reshma winning. Actually, two players are there. So definitely sum of these two players winning is equal to 1. I taught you this thing, very simple thing. When we talk about only two players are playing the match, so if probability of winning first is 0.62, so rest probability will be the winning probability of the Reshma. So if we talk about the probability of a Reshma winning, I tell you that I don't want to, we can also call by P of B, something like that, P of B. But if someone is writing only this is acceptable. Probability of Reshma winning is what? One can understand that 1 minus 0.62. That is, don't afraid about 1 minus. I taught you this thing. Look at here. Probability of Sangeeta winning plus probability of Reshma winning have a sum 1 because only two players are there. Only two players are there. So probability of Sangeeta winning plus probability of Reshma winning is actually 1. If probability of Sangeeta winning is 0.62, what is the probability of Reshma winning? Definitely it is 1 minus 0.62. So we'll have an answer. This is 0.38. This is the probability of Reshma winning the match. So this is a very simple example. One should only understand about the language. Otherwise nothing in this question. Look at the next one now. Example number 6 I am telling you. Question says Savita and Hamida, they are two friends. What is the probability that both will have different birthdays and same birthdays? Simple question. I tell you one thing, and except ignoring a leap year, we don't have to count the leap year. We will count only the general and normal year, which is having 365 days. You must know that in general year the number of days are 365. We write only number of days in a normal year is equal to 365. This is very first sentence. What question says Savita and Hamida are two friends. Okay, I just want to discuss with you. Two friends they are. Question says what is the probability that they have a same birthday? Meaning, what is a favorable day? One birthday meaning only one day among the 365 when their birthday will be same. Suppose 5 October. So Hamida have a birthday 5 October. Savita have a birthday 5 October. So how many days among 365 is a favorable day? Only one day at which both have a birthday. That's called they have a same birthday. So if we talk about the probability, I would speak something. Let A be the event when they have a same birthday. It doesn't necessary to write all, but okay, as we can arrange the answer, we can. So let A be the event when they have a same birthday. I would ask one question, that what is a favorable days or something like that, or elements? Only one, and total are 365. Why it is 1? I recently gave you one example that when they would have a same birthday, only one date among the year. In whole year, if they have a same birthday, suppose 5 October is a birthday of Hamida, So 5 October is the birthday of Savita. So both have a same birthday. How many favorable days? Only 1 days, and total days are 365. So probability of same birthday is a 1 upon 365. No n of a, no n of s, but only general thing. And definitely probability of a different birthdays. So one can understand two things only, na? There are only same birthday and different birthday. Different birthday meaning we just have to subtract the answer from the one, because two things are there only. Either they have a same birthday or they have a different birthday. So same birthday have a probability 1 by 365. So different birthday probability will be 1 minus 1 by 365, which is 364 upon 365. So this is the answer. One can arrange by themselves. Need not assume. If you don't want to take A as a event, you can directly write that probability of same birthday is equal to, only you need to write that total number of days and favorable days is 1. That was the important sentence. And then you can write probability of same birthdays 1 by 365. Probability of different birthdays 1 minus 1 by. It also can be written. Okay. So this is the problem. Now I take the next example. Example number 7. Question says, there are 40 students in class 10th of school, of whom 25 girls and 15 boys. The class teacher has to select one student as the class representatives. She writes the name of each student and on the separate cards, and they put cards in a bag and stills throughoutly, and she then draw one card from the bag. What is the probability that the name of name written on the cards is the name of the girl and a boy? Very easy question this is. Let me speak something. Total number of students 40, girls are 25 and boys are 15. And very common question, this is a bag, 40 slips on which these 40 students' name are written, and the stills cards are same. One card is drawn. What is the probability that the name on the card is boy's name? So definitely we have a favorable cases 15 and total cases 40. So your answer is very general and common. In verbally you can give the answer 15 by 40 because total students are 40. So I would write here that let A be the event of girls and B is the event of boys. So what question? If a card is taken or drawn out of the bag, the probability of girl. First question, probability of first question asks girl. Okay, so probability of girl will be n of A upon n of S. So one can understand is where is n of A? Please reply. N of A number of girls 15, sorry 25. N of B number of boys, how much? 15. And what is this? N of S. I taught you that all the time you can't make S properly. You would only like to write the number of element in S. Number of whole students are 40. Number of boys, I taught you it is a B. N of B is equal to 50. Number of girls, I taught I gave it A. So N of A is equal to 25. If one card is drawn out of the bag, what is the probability that the name written on the slip on the card is the name of the girl? So it is if card is taken out of the bag, that probability of A, meaning the name of the slip is a girl's name. So P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. N of A is a 25 and upon 40. You can write 5 by 8 and P of B. And P of P will be definitely N of B upon N of S, which is the name of the boys. So boys is 15 upon 40. So 5 3s are 5 8s. This is the answer. So I don't see it's a tough one. I again want to speak that if you want to arrange the answer by yourselves in some different way, acceptable students. No worry about that. Okay, this is the solution. Now question number 8 is looking very easy. Okay. Question number 8 is what? A box contains 3 blue balls. Blue balls 3. White ball 2. And the red balls 4. Total balls 4, 2, 6, 3, 9. One can understand that n of s will be 9. Let A be the probability of the event of a blue ball. B is event of white ball, and C is an event of red ball. One can understand that n of A will be number of blue balls are 3, number of white balls n of B is equal to 2, and number of red ball n of C is equal to that is 4. So till here very formal sentences I have written. This is not necessary. You can write directly total balls and n of s equal to 9. Let A is event of blue balls, n of equal to this. So okay, this is just for given. Otherwise you can start your answer from here side. Okay. So what question asked here? If a balls I have written, okay, if a ball drawn randomly from the box, what is the probability that it will be white ball? Question asked. First question, if a ball drawn, then probability of A. If a ball drawn, probability of A meaning probability of that ball is blue is n of A upon n of S. So n of A is 3 upon whole balls are 9, meaning answer is 1 by 3. Second question, probability of B, that probability of that ball is a white ball, which is n of B upon n of S, meaning 2 upon 9. And third is probability of the ball is a red ball, which is n of C upon n of S, which is a 4 upon 9. And these three are very general and common question. One can give the answer without writing. Verbally, surely can give the answer. Okay. Now, more questions I want to deal here. We have a good question. This is example number 9. This is very good question. Before starting the question, I want to talk to you some about a very special thing. Look at here. If a coin tossed, one can understand that if a coin tossed, what is sample space? H or comma T. It's very common in general thing. But instead of that, if a coin tossed twice, so oblique, 2 coins tossed once. Both are synonym sentence, both are equal sentence. If a coin tossed twice or 2 coins tossed once, what is the picture? Can you think the picture? Can you do the experiment by yourself? Okay, if you have 2 coin, suppose 2 coin, you toss it and see what appearing on the upper side, upper surface of the coin. So what may be there? H, suppose H, head. So I would like to make my sample space. Look at H. This is my first element. Even it is 2, but it is actually 1. Why? Because we are observing 2 elements together. Okay, suppose these 2 coins, first head and second tail. Suppose first tail, second head, and suppose both have a tail. What do you think? That 4 total elements we are having in the sample space. It was only 2, but it is 4. Why? Because a coin tossed twice or 2 coins tossed once, actually same meaning. Whenever these sentences will be coming, you will write S equal to this one. So instead of if three coins, same sentence I am not writing. If a coin tossed 3 times or 3 coins are tossed, then what will happen? You can understand that H, T, H, T, H, T, H, T, 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 TH, T, HT, HTT. This 8 will come. So I have a good idea to tell you. When a coin toss once, number of elements were 2. When a coin toss twice or 2 coins are tossed once, number of elements will be 2 into 2, 4. When a coin toss 3 times, the number of elements in the S will be 2 into 2 into 2, 8. So this is only the way. When a coin toss 4 times, the element will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, meaning for 16. So this is only the way. When coins, more coins will be tossed, or a coin toss more time, this is a way of finding the sample space, and one should note till 3. Till 3. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. These samples must be kept remember. Okay. So this is the for coin I taught. Now I talk about the die. If a die tossed, what happened? S will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many element? 6 elements. But if a die tossed twice, or if 2 die are tossed once, both have the same meaning. If 2 dice are tossed once, then sample space will be very important thing. It is, can you see 2 dice here? Suppose it is one appearing, 1 1. Let me write 1 so 1 1, or definitely here it is 1, it is 2, 1 2. Definitely if it is a 1, it is a 3, 1 3. Now you can understand yourself, it is a 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3 till 2 6, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3 till 3 6, 4 1, 4 1, 4 2 till 4 6, 5 1, 5 2 till 5 6, and lastly 6 1, 6 2, and it is a 6 6. If you will count all these elements now, you would have n of s will be, what do you think? It was only 6 elements. When a die tossed 2 times, the n of s will be 6 into 6, meaning 36 elements. So please keep remember, when a die toss once, this element will come. When die toss twice or 2 dice toss once, these elements will be coming. You have to keep remember, students. The number of elements, I taught you the trick. When a die toss 3 times, the total number of elements will be 6 into 6 into 6, which cannot be formed like that. But number of elements you can find 216 will be 6 into 6 into 6. Okay. So this is the way I wanted to discuss with you. This was very important for exam. So keep remember the concept of die and coin. The question is now common one. Question example number 9. Harpreet tosses 2 different coins simultaneously. Look at a coin. Harpreet tosses 2 different coins simultaneously. What is the meaning? 2 coins are tossed once. 2 coins are tossed once. One can understand it, what will S will come. Even I didn't read whole the question, but only first sentence gave me the idea to create the sample space, and that is head tail, tail head, tail tail, and n of s will be 4. Now I will read the question. What question says? What is the probability that she gets at least one head? Wow. Now let A be the event to get at least one head. Question may be anything, because it's independent one. It is independent one. So you don't worry about this. It is what is A? Can you catch? It is all possible elements in sample space, and we just want to find the favorable cases by reading A event to get at least one head. Now, okay, can you catch at least one head? What is the meaning of at least one head? Meaning HT can come, TH can come, and maximum double H head can come. one can understand at least one head, meaning the least one head must be there. Maximum it may be 2. So this element will be left only, and only 3 elements are favorable elements. Now what is the probability of happening a n of a upon n of s, which is 3 by whole elements were 4. You understand it is. So this is the answer of the question. So hope student you have got till here. So you can start the exercise now. Few more examples like 11, 12, 13. This is yet to tell you, so I will definitely discuss them in the next class. So please till then you can start the exercise from your side, and if you still have any doubt, you are free to chat with me on the WhatsApp. Thank you.